Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 8th grade concept of dilation representations. This is standard 8.3c in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 26 off the 2022 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got a table here, shows the vertices, and we don't even have a visual representation. We just have this table that represents the XY coordinates of this pentagon here. So it's dilated by a scale factor. It's going to be big right there, scale factor of 7/3. With the origin as the center of dilation, it's going to create this new pentagon, ABCDE prime. So if XY represents the location of any point, which order pair represents this new pentagon, ABCDE prime. So what do we do when we dilate something with a scale factor? That's basically what this is asking in a long way. Well, I'm going to take one of these points, and I'm going to show you. So we're not going to draw the entire pentagon, but let's just draw one point. So let's draw this -1, 1. All right, so -1, 1. There we go. Let's call that point A. Okay, so if we're going to make a scale factor by a 7/3, well, what that means is that we are going to need to increase its size. 7/3 is really just, let's see, that's 2 1/3. I want to make this a mixed number. So it's going to get a little bit more than twice as big, right? So there's my A. And if we wanted to, right, we can represent a whole bunch of these here. Let's just go ahead and put them all there so we can see what we're looking at. There's my B. There's my 4, 1, same. It's at the same height there as my A. There's my C. D is 2, -5. And then -6, -2. That's a weird looking pentagon, but that's fine. We're going to go like this. All right, so let's say that's our pentagon. This E might need to be a little bit higher, but we don't have any grid lines here. So what do we do when we make it 2 1/3 bigger? Well, then it's going to kind of push out a little bit like this. And so it's going to, each point is going to get a little bit more expansive, right? And so it's going to look kind of like this, right? So there's my B prime, my C prime, my D prime, E prime, and then my A prime. So let's see what F, G, H, and J hold in store. So I like what F is doing because it is multiplying, but why in the world would you multiply by 3/7? Because you're supposed to multiply. Look at this. It says scale factor. So if you factor, you multiply, fine, but why would you flip it? That doesn't make any sense. Look what G and H are doing. G and H are adding. Once again, we're inverting the fraction here. No idea why. What this is a translation, okay? So if you just wanted to slide the original, it would just kind of slide this way. Same size, same shape. But we're not looking for that. What we're looking for is a dilation, something that's bigger. So when you dilate by a scale factor, think a factor is one of the numbers you multiply by. You multiply x and y by the scale factor, and you get your answer, J.